In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change margins in Word. Margins set the blank space along the top, bottom, left, and right edges of your page. They control how much text fits on a line and how your document looks on paper. So adjusting them can improve readability, meet formatting requirements, or help you fit more content without cramping the layout. Start by opening your document and heading to the ribbon at the top of the Word window. Click the Layout tab. This is where Word keeps tools that affect the overall page setup, and it's the hub for spacing, alignment, and margin adjustments. Next, click the Margins button. A drop-down menu will appear with a gallery of preset options. Presets like Normal, Narrow, and Moderate are ready-made choices that work well for most situations. Normal gives you a balanced page with comfortable white space. Narrow reduces the margins, which can help you fit more text on each page, while Moderate tightens them slightly without making the page feel crowded. If one of these matches your needs, simply select it and Word will apply it instantly. You'll see your text reflow to fit the new space, which can affect line breaks and page count. If you want more precise control, choose Custom Margins at the bottom of that dropdown. This opens a dialog box where you can enter exact measurements for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Type in the values that match your requirements, whether you're formatting for a school paper, a business report, or a print layout. Word uses your system's measurement units, so depending on your settings, you might see inches, centimeters, or millimeters. If you're preparing a document for printing, keep in mind that most printers need a small non-printable area near the edges, so extremely tiny margins may be clipped. When you're happy with your settings, click OK to apply the changes to your document. Your content will automatically adjust to the new layout. Take a moment to scroll through a few pages and make sure headings, paragraphs, and page breaks still look the way you want. If the new margins change your page count or push content onto another page, consider minor text edits or spacing tweaks to maintain a clean, professional appearance. That's it. Quick and effective. By using the Layout tab, picking a preset when you need speed, or choosing custom margins for precision, you can tailor your document's look to suit any purpose. Thanks for watching, and happy formatting!